Hello, today we are going to be baking chicken. We've got all-purpose flour, Italian-style breadcrumb again, a tortilla, cheese, potatoes, chicken thighs, and eggs.
With the potatoes, we're going to be making some homemade fries.
Yeah.
And we have these 3 pans here, all-purpose flour from HEB, the local HEB, right up the street. Probably no more than 4 eggs. Okay, hold on, you can help me. First you have to crack it. Now mix it. Mix it good.
And I make the all sloppy all so good.
So we have the eggs all mixed.
That's hot sauce.
Secret ingredient, hot sauce.
It's not secret if you tell us about it.
I'm letting everybody know what the secret ingredient is. So when they make theirs at home, they'll taste just like ours. Breadcrumbs. This is just some plain breadcrumbs, some Italian breadcrumbs. I will say, I like Italian breadcrumbs. This company, it's not the best. This is what we have. I have some chicken thighs here, a bit juicier. But for some reason, I feel like this is like the fattiest chicken thigh that I've ever seen.
You should taste it.
For what? Are you gonna eat it?
No,
So why am I saving it?
because it makes
Ew.
it taste better.
Less on beef, not so much for chicken. So this looks a little bad. I'm gonna just use this little piece right here. So it's okay if the pieces are a bit smaller than usual. Same thing, gonna take all this fat off right here. We don't wanna eat that. Fat makes you fat.
I will get Mom, what you do?
I'm cutting up the chicken.
What you be?
That's for the snack wrap. Remember, we're making a snack wrap. And we have some onion powder. And just do however much you want of any seasonings you have. Because you kind of need a lot when you're frying chicken. I've used so far was this Cavender's all-purpose Greek sauce, some garlic powder, we have some Italian herbs, have some slap your mama. This is like a little Cajun seasoning. Have some black pepper. And instead of saying you ain't seasoned if you ain't sneezing, I don't like to sneeze when I'm seasoning my food. So tickling my nose with the seasonings, no thanks. Okay, just give that a good mix. The flour, I just like to add a little bouillon, chicken bouillon. And then I mix it all together. And then when I'm putting the chicken in, it's gonna be flour, egg, breadcrumbs. Lots of pieces at a time. There's only flour. It gets a little messy in here when we're cooking, but at least the food turns out good. Majority of the time, I would say. Some meals they don't really care for because maybe I might put a whole bunch of vegetables, but at the end of the day, meat and vegetables is gonna keep you nice and healthy. Shake off the flour, put it in the egg, shake off the egg. This is gonna be dang delicious. Flour, egg. I like using the glove when I'm using meat or working with meats because there's so much bacteria that can transfer from all different surfaces that you're not even thinking about. So I like to minimize the cross-contamination and keeping my family nice and healthy. We have some toddlers here in the background that you're going to be hearing all the time. The homeschool family. The kids are always around. That's by choice, of course. They're learning life skills. They're playing with potatoes, watching me cook. And the life skills that you're learning right now is learning how to make a snack wrap when you get older.
I can make waffles by myself.
Yes, you can do certain things. And this is us making other meals. I'm making a bit of a mess, you see? But it's okay because we're cooking and then we're gonna clean up once we're all done, your potato for your fries. Everybody's cutting their potatoes and fries up. I'm supposed to use one hand for dry ingredients and one hand for wet ingredients, but I'm just using one hand. Okay. Now we have all our little pieces of chicken. It doesn't have to be a perfect peel, because apparently, you know, skin is good for you. It has some vitamins in it. So it's okay if it's a little left on top.
Skin's okay. So you could just eat a raw potato?
So just cut off the ends, make them square. And then we're gonna cut them in half. Nice sharp knife. We have our halves, and then we're just gonna cut little like slits. And that's how you make a potato. If it's too thick,
Potato?
that's how you make a fry. If it's too thick, you can just cut them in half again, and that's usually what I'll do. I don't like really thick fries. These are like steak fries, so I'll take this and I'll cut it in half again.
I like fast food fries.
You like little skinny fries.
Nothing
wrong with a skinny fry. Now get a bowl and put some water and some ice inside. So these are like fry minis. All right, you can just start putting the fries right inside.
What we'll do this.
Time for bath, yay! I just love cooking fries and ice wraps. Could I have an ice wrap?
Sure.
Yay, in here.
Okay, let's see.
Give this a little stir.
I'm gonna keep these long, so y'all can have the fry minis and I can have the sticks.
Sticks are better fried than these sticks.
They're still gonna be fried in the same oil, the same way, dumped in this ice bath. So you tell me which ones are gonna be better.
Stick looks good. I like this stick.
Okay, now that I think about it, I should swap these two. Okay, Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay, it's about 5 minutes. I'm gonna flip it. Leave the tortillas alone, please, okay? That's for us to eat. So brown and crispy. It's almost been 10 minutes. Oh, get out of there. Close that thing. There we have our fried chicken. Fry that chicken. Fry that chicken. A little goes a long way with these kids. Now I'm going to add their cheese. Oh, you did? You wash your hands?
Yeah.
I added the lettuce, the cheese. I just cut up some of my Caesar salad lettuce, so just put it on top. Get mine into like a Caesar. Then we're gonna pile mine top. John. Hey, Mambo Parmigiano. Hey, Mambo Parmigiano. Our chicken in half. You like it? Glad you like it. Buffalo Caesar wrap, but I burnt my tongue, and my tongue is kind of preparing, I guess you could say, so I'm not going to torture it with spicy food. I add my dressing. Just a little drizzle. Drizzle. Caesar. Yummy, delicious Caesar wrap. Snack Caesar wrap. Or Caesar snack wrap. What should we call it? Snack Caesar wrap. Made at home with love.